Hello and welcome back to another episode of Limmy Bashers. I know I've done a video on all the lighting that I've swapped over onto this behemoth, but the actual standard lighting that's on it is currently terrible. So these XR lights are all dried and yellowed and pretty crappy, and all the locating tabs for all the lights are actually pretty knackered, and the tail lights let water in. There's a massive crack along there, which I've tried to seal up, but that didn't work. So they keep letting water in and blowing gobes. So today I'm going to fit some shiny boys to the back and some shiny boys to the front. So I got some brand new headlights and tail lights from Aussie Parts, OZE Parts. So yeah, I'm going to chuck them in so I can actually see at night, and so that people can see me at night, because my brake light keeps blowing. So let's get into that. Also, in a very, very mad donation from one of the blokes at work, we have a Hiroshima hurricane maker, Chinese choo-choo boy. So I don't know what that'll be going on, but we'll figure it out. It won't be going on the V8. That's not the kind of boost that I want on the V8. So, you know, maybe it'll go on a certain six-banger that comes out of this, and then that six-banger will go in another Limmy Bashers project that you may have seen in the background of one of our very, very early videos. I can't remember if you can actually see it in the back or not, but yeah, stay tuned for that one. So that's the tail lights done. Time to move on to the headlights, which is the really fun bit. What are you doing in there? Come on, out you come. Come on, out you get. Come on. Oh, you don't want to come out, do you? Come on. There we go. Come on. I know you want to go in there, but it's not right now. Okay. All right. Maybe later, if you're good. Okay. Maybe later. All right. This is where this car gets a little bit annoying, because these indicators are not so bad to get out unless you have a snorkel in the way, which I do. So it's going to be a little bit of a pain on the passenger side, but the driver's side's out, which is good. Yeah! You can see how much worse the old is compared to the new. All the clear is flaked off. They are dirty, but they're also fairly yellowed. These are nice and spick and span. Nice and shiny. Nice and clean. Nice and bright. Now it's time for the bar to go back on. So that's all for this episode on the wagon. I'm still waiting on some bits and pieces for the Boss motor so I can clean that up and stuff before I chuck it in this. So you should see that very shortly. And other than that, for now, that's a ciao.